This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. Make sure your Ring account, Alexa app region, and firmware are current because mismatches block discovery. Next, connect the Ring camera to your home Wi-Fi and give it a clear device name. You will use that name in Alexa. Once done, open the Alexa app, go to Skills and Games, enable the Ring skill, and sign in with the same Ring credentials. This links accounts and prepares Alexa to discover and control the camera. Now you make Alexa find and configure the camera. In the Alexa app, tap Devices, then Plus. Choose Add Device and run Discovery, or just say, Alexa, discover devices. Once Alexa lists your camera, assign it to a group or room so voice commands target the right device and routines trigger correctly. Also, set permissions for drop-in, notifications, and motion alerts in both Ring and Alexa so events show up in the app and on Echo Show. This ensures control and expected behavior. Finish by creating routines and testing control. In Alexa, build a routine that uses motion from Ring as a trigger, then add actions like announcements or show the camera feed on Echo Show. This automates responses. Next, test voice commands such as, Alexa, show front door, and confirm live view and audio work. If something fails, reboot the camera and Echo device, reauthorize or disable, then enable the Ring skill, and make sure both devices are on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.